Airline stocks have gained fresh altitude on the bourses as industry dynamics took off. On December 20th, shares of Interglobe Aviation, the parent of IndiGo Airlines, hit a record high of 3,009 rupees per share on the BSE. They have surged 42% year to date. SpiceJet, meanwhile, hit a 52-week high of 69.20 rupees on December 19th, having zoomed 55% year to date. By comparison, the benchmark S&P BSE Sensex has gained around 16% during this period. Analysts say the sector is turning the corner as travel demand shows no signs of abating.
There is a noteworthy increase in daily domestic passenger numbers, signaling a favorable environment for airlines to experience robust passenger loads. Driving the sector forward is a decline in crude oil prices, which have already dropped nearly 20% from the peak of September 2023. This reduction serves as an early indication of relief for the industry.
According to the data provided by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, air traffic grew 9% year-on-year to 12.7 million in November 2023. That apart, passenger load factor, which measures an airline's passenger carrying capacity, has been in the range of 84 to 92% so far this year. Going forward, CAPA India, an aviation research body, forecasts domestic PAX traffic to grow over 15% year-on-year to 155 million passengers in FY24, while international traffic could increase to 70 million. That said, despite the tailwinds, CAPA expects operational fleet to be contained at 588 aircraft by March 2024. Total grounded aircraft, it said, will likely rise to 200 from 165 at present due to supply chains issues, Pratt & Whitney engine snags, and operational weaknesses at Go First and SpiceJet. The industry is, therefore, projected to report loss worth $1.6 to $1.8 billion in FY24, led by full-service carriers as per CAPA. So how should investors approach the sector?
That despite the volatile crude oil prices and on and off revision of aviation turbine fuel ATF, the profitability has not got impacted of Interglobe Aviation. The way the flight ticket prices are going up north, I don't think there is going to be any kind of concern on the earnings front. Along with that, most of the airlines, be it listed or unlisted entities, they are acquiring newer aircrafts to increase their fleet. This indicates that they are expecting robust demand going into the future.
Shah suggests investors to add IndiGo on every dip. Nuvama Institutional Equity, meanwhile, has a hold rating on SpiceJet, as it believes SpiceJet's capital raise of 2,200 crore rupees shall allow repayment of outstanding dues and resumption of certain aircraft. Today, on the 22nd of December, global cues will guide the market.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
He's making plans for an early retirement. Business Standard.